Hello and welcome back to this class. So actually we've done a lot of things in this project, and actually if you see this website, this is looking complete. Okay, we just have to create the contact us button. So I'm just making the contact us page right now. Then we will go to the admin panel. So let's just ready to create the contact us page. For that, you already knew that we have to create a new folder. So I'm just going to here, and actually I'm just creating a new folder, a new file there. Okay, at this time I'm simply copying the index.php. Well, I can copy any page, there isn't any matter, but I'm just copying the index.php just because contact enter, just because I want to get the columns and all other settings by default. This is a column LG8 and this is at the sidebar, so I need them. But right now I'm just simply deleting this whole PHP because this is not really necessary. So let's just refresh that and everything is fine. But if I just type contact, oh, not the index.php, directly the contact.php, okay, then press enter. Now I got nothing in this page, and here I just want to create the contact us page. So everything is fine. Let's just start coding, and here I'm just linking the other page here, contact.php. Save that, and again I have to do something here like I just did. What I have to do, actually we'll talk about that later. Right now I'm just programming that. Okay, the contact.php. So let's just start from there. First of all, I'm just opening the form. Okay, add some attributes here. Let's press any space and type a class. This form should be horizontal, and then what is the method should be, I'm just adding the method should be, or the action on the same page. Okay, on the contact.php, or yep, that's right, contact.php. And the other thing is method. The method should be, which method I should choose? The get is perfect. By the way, we can get the method, we can post that as well. So okay, I'm just posting that. And the role, just define the role of this. Role is actually, this is a form. Now go inside this tag and do some more things. And what to do now? Simply just open the div. Okay, and this there, and then this should be a form. In the class, please. Now the form group. Okay, perfect. Now let's just add some more things. The first thing is should be the label with the tag. Label, cover that, and the label ending tag. Okay, that is perfect. And here I'm just typing for. Now what I should type here for the first one is the name. Okay, name, and here the name. Okay, then go there and actually just create a div, and that inside that div just create, inside this div just create the input in this way, input type, and here I'm just typing the text because this is the text type, and then the ID. Okay, the ID is name. This ID must be in the matching of this 4, and then just add some classes here. The first one is to the col sm, how much column, how much wide column you want at this time, and then press any space and type control label. Okay, that is perfect. Now I'm going to the div and just adding a class here, and here I'm just adding col sm. Now not 4, I'm just typing 6 at this moment, pressing in space, or this is okay. I'm just going here and adding a class here as well. And what class I'm just adding here? The form control. So now let's just go to the browser and check what we just did here. Refresh that. This is the thing. Okay, and now what I'm just going to do, I'm just typing 2 here, save that back and refresh that. Okay, that is looking more perfect, so fine. But one thing more, I just want to add a more thing here. What actually I'm thinking to add, I'm just thinking to add a jumbotron before this form. a new thing I'm just going to teach you. If you find that perfect, then we will approve that, otherwise we will remove that. Just type Jumbotron, Jumbotron, and here I'm just typing some blah blah words, going to the browser and refresh that. Now this is a Jumbotron. Actually this is the heading area. Okay, Jumbotron means a big block. You can see that here. I'm just typing, or actually I'm just adding an H2. Okay, let's just cover that H2, and here inside that I'm just typing the, not in this way, contact us form. Okay, save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now I got the contact us form with beautiful heading in the Jumbotron. So this is looking more perfect. By the way, I'm just going to do some more things here. Just simply copy that, or that is perfect. Now I'm just simply copying this form group and pasting this here, and here I'm just changing the name. Here this should be the email. Okay, and the type should be the email. Okay, because as I said to you before, in when we're just talking about the form here, for the form something, by the way, before the CMS project, that HTML5 has its own new types for the inputs. So email is a new type, by the way, and here I have to type email just because this is the email. Now here the email address, save that, go to the browser and refresh that. I got the email address there. That is perfect, and that is as well. And then what I just need, I think I need a subject here. Obviously that is really important. Copy that and paste that here, and here I'm just typing the subject area, subject. Save that. Now this should be the force should be the subject. Okay, and for the linking, for linking up this label to this ID, this input, I'm just typing subject as well, but the type is not email now. Okay, the type is simple text, because subject is a simple text, not any specific validation needed. So that is the thing. Okay, and then the last thing is I'm just copying this form group again, pasting this here, but here obviously I'm changing the for, and I'm just typing here comments. Okay, perfect, but here is the comments again. The thing is that I'm just removing this input because I don't need this input right now. I'm just adding the text area. Okay, text area, perfect, and here I'm just adding the class of form. Not in this way, actually, form control, and save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now I got the comment area, but this is actually, you know, that it can be changed. So I'm just going to the browser and adding a new variable, rows. How much rows you want? I just want 10 rows. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now it has by default 10 rows. That is perfect. Means I can stretch it to actually increase the size of it, but I can't decrease it. Okay, that is perfect. But the thing is that I don't want this stretching, so let's just add this style attribute. Okay, and here I'm just typing resize, and the resize should be none. Now resize will be no more. You can see that there isn't any link of resize. That is the perfect thing. We got it. This something more I just want to do is actually this should be 8 instead of 2, so I'm just typing 8, and you will find this more interesting because of the huge length. Save that and go to the browser, refresh that. Okay, now you can see that it is a little bit more bigger. That is more perfect. But one thing more, that this shouldn't be in the capital letter. I can type, but the small letters is more preferred because I just used the method of small letters in whole attributes and tags. By the way, the last thing which I just have to do, I'm just copying the previous one, not the text area, because I need the input again, and this should be the button. Okay, the submit, perfect. And here I don't need this label, so I'm just deleting the label, and let's just go to the browser and refresh that. Now I got this submit button. Something more, I just have to delete that. It shouldn't be the form control, it should be a button. Save that and refresh that. Now this is the button which I just got. And then, or one thing more, I'm just thinking that what if I just copy this label, paste that here, and don't type anything and don't add the for attribute. Now let's just refresh that. Now I got the button here, but this should be a little bit type btn block. Okay, now in this case it will be a block type. Refresh that. Now I got the perfect button. This is looking perfect, but the color should be a little changed. Which color you want? btn primary. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Come on. Okay, this button is looking perfect or no? If you just want another button, for example, you can type danger. Okay, save that. The danger is actually the blue red color. Okay, this is looking more perfect. If you just want this, then this is okay. Okay, I have no problem, by the way. So I think our form is looking perfect. Now just add some last things in the every input. I'm just adding the placeholder, and here I'm just typing that insert your name. Perfect. Now here in the email address area, I'm just adding another placeholder. Should be the email address. Perfect. And in the subject area, I'm just adding another placeholder. Should be the subject. Okay, that is which I just want. And in the button, I'm just adding the value. Okay, we can't add the placeholder on the button. By the way, for the submit button or something, here I'm just typing submit your form. Save that and refresh that. Now I got some text here which actually I can't submit, but I can change that. When I just type anything, it will be removed because this is a placeholder. And if I remove the my created text or my type text, then it will come back again. Now if I just click on this submit your form, the form will be submitted. But right now I didn't program this button, and obviously for this thing I have to create another table in our database named the CMS system, named table or named comments. So I'll do this in next class. So guys, stay tuned and goodbye.